5. Oh, you know what? There's also a 5-star Nexus that I think came with the 4th of July offers, so I should really pop that open. So let's get this pop. This feels 5 with 5 stars, but come on, man. Okay, we've got got a new champion there in Terax. That's pretty cool. There's some more arena points and everything, and we did get another science champion in Invisible Woman, so solid actually. What sig level does that take my Falcon up to as well? He's someone that ends at 121. Okay. Oh, that's right. I gained +1 sig level when I failed to get him as a 6-star from the arena. That's right. And you know what? Before I go back to actually ranking up I-Bomb and seeing what all this science ISO does for him, I am gonna pop open this next 5-star. I am gonna take the new champion over. If there was a science champion here, but otherwise I'll probably grab the science champ. So let's see. Okay, well we did get a science champ, so yeah, that works out. And I don't need SIGs on. Well, Ronan's max. And I don't need the SIGs on the end of there. Dude, this might not have actually been too bad at all. All right, so that is 4 full dupes with this ISO and everything. Let's see what that does for my I-Bomb. Ditch all of this garbage ISO, like I mentioned. We'll pull in the good stuff. Happy that I got that Terax, actually, man. I've wanted to pull him for a while. I don't have any version of Terax, so that's cool. God, it takes so much ISO to rank these champions up. I'm already running out, and we haven't even gotten through the first rank yet. Look at this. This is the last of my stash right here. I'm not quite at level 35. I do have some ISO left, but I mean, I might as well feed the smaller ISO bricks when I get them, because we're going back to the crystals. Full dupes, and I'm pretty much out of ISO already. Wow. Well, I guess I'm popping premiums. I've got 468 of these, and well, I'll speed through this and show you any 4-stars I get. Hey, there we go. We got Man doing as the first 4-star of the bunch. Alright, another 4-star in Bishop, and that's pretty good. Oh, whoa, look at that, man. Double 4-star in this pack here. We got Angela as well. From the 3-star dupes, at least, I guess, but kind of rough. Oh, I did get a 4-star Nexus as well. Okay, well, let's pop that. Oh, I've got 2 4-star Nexus crystals. Okay, well, let's pop both of these. Okay, we got science here. We got I-Bomb. I-Bomb beating I-Bomb. I'm fitting. Next up, have another science champ. Science champion here, all max city, big skill. You're already gonna get rid of tickets. Alright, let's just see where we stand with I-Bomb now after getting all these other smaller ISO breaks and everything. Yeah, maxed out. Beat him this 2 to 3 rank of champion. I'm still so I just read my tier 5 fast catalyst to cap infinity. Science ISO, and he's only level 23, but he's actually a little bit higher than God, man, I thought this was going to be so easy. Alright, let's go back. Pop open a bunch of 3-stars, and then pop open the max big crystals that I get from these, and that'll give me some more 4-stars. Wow, of course I barely got any science. Alright, well, let's get some max crystals popped open. That's right, I just did this recently. unfortunately, so I don't have nearly as many crystals as I thought. Only 87, which only gave me about 4,500 shards, but that's enough for 5 4-star crystals at least. Oh my god, dude, the struggles. I really don't want to pop open it because I'm trying to wait for the next feature crystal. Whatever exclusive champions are in there, so I'm trying to hold on to those 5-star shards. And okay, we got one science champ, dude. It's looking pretty rough there. Looking at the first 4, but good old Captain America coming through on the 4th of July. There you go, buddy. Good amount of mutant ISO too. That's really gonna help. Hopefully, the next time you see one of these videos, I don't have to look nearly as hard to get mutant ISO. Wait a minute. I just realized I have a 6-star crystal here, and I'm pretty sure I-Bomb just got added to the crystal because the 6-star feature was nothing. Yeah, there it is. So you know what, man? I wasn't expecting to pop open another 6-star today, but I guess we're gonna rip this sucker open because that would be extremely fitting if I gave I-Bomb a generic awakening gem and then pulled him out of this crystal or something. So let's go ahead and pop this thing open. We'll see what happens. God, there's so many. I don't want to just open up a 6-star crystal for ISO reasons, but hey, if I pulled the science dupe or something like that, I can use a Void Awakening. I can use the I-Bomb Awakening. I don't know if I really need any other thing. I can use the Thing Awakening. Let's pop this thing open, man. See if we just get ultra lucky right now. Come on, come on, give me that I-Bomb. Electro's cool. Yeah, all right. It's not a dupe. But yeah, I don't mind seeing Electro. That would have actually, this would have helped so much during my Legends run. Electro has a synergy with Stealth Spidey, and that would have helped out, made the Webmaster fights a little bit faster. But that's cool, man. New champion. I think that gives me even teams in arena as well. Didn't help ISO-wise, but alright, little impromptu 6-star open. Oh, I've got a bunch of these Grand Master Shards. Here we go. This should give me some good ISO. Alright, let's pop open like 20 of these things. And let's see what we get here, man. First 10. We have looking like a whole bunch of 3-stars. That's what we have. Wow, all 3 stars and 1 4-star. What are the odds on these things again? Let me check that out. Oh, it's only a 12%, or I guess 15% chance when you factor in the Nexus to get a 4-star. 15% for a 5-star. Okay. That's not as much. That's not as high as I was expecting. But all right, let's go ahead and add another 10. So we pop it open 30 of these things in total. Let's see what that gives, man. Okay, we got Fraggle Rock. Just says 8 dupes. Okay, yeah, I guess that means I got some Nexus crystals. That threw me off for a second there.